Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers on your Hyundai Kona. First, gather your new wiper blades and a few basic tools. We'll cover everything from lifting the wiper arms to securing the new blades. This guide will help you maintain excellent visibility and safety on the road. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do with a little guidance, taking only about 15 minutes of your time. Before you begin, make sure you have the correct replacement wiper blades for your Hyundai Kona. The driver's side typically uses a 26-inch blade, and the passenger side uses a 16-inch blade. You might also find a small flathead screwdriver or a pair of pliers helpful for releasing stubborn clips. Always place a towel or a piece of cardboard on your windshield to protect it if a wiper arm accidentally drops. To remove the old wiper blade, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be cautious not to let it snap back down. Next, look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and then slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook-shaped arm. It should detach with a gentle pull. Now, take your new wiper blade and slide its connector onto the J-hook of the wiper arm. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it won't come loose during operation. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other side. Finally, test your new wipers with some washer fluid to confirm they clear your windshield effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.